welcome to the homestead, guys.
Hi guys.
It's hot already.
It is warm already.
It is.
And you're looking a little rough.
Well, I like to keep expectations low, and that way it makes it very easy to impress people.
Yeah.
But you're right.
Not that I'm dressed for the fashion runway or anything.
No, no. So, as you guys saw, we were up on the mill. We got, hopefully, if my math did its mathin', we have everything we need lumber-wise to complete this project. And then if you saw our last video, I'll leave a link somewhere in here. We're one sheet short of metal. And we put our brains together and realized that we have metal on top of the old coop.
Yeah, we're gonna take that apart anyway.
We're gonna take that apart anyway. We'll use that metal to enclose this. So today, we're gonna try.
Today is actually Easter. Happy Easter, guys.
Happy Easter, everyone. Hope you enjoyed your Easter hunt, egg hunt.
We're kind of celebrating, but not really, because we're just gonna do a late Easter.
We are, and we did collect eggs today.
We did.
And we did feed bunnies today.
We did.
So we're doing our part. But we're gonna get this front enclosed, get the door built, and with any luck at all, we'll get the roosting bars up and the next boxes made.
Alright, it's not too bad. We have some cracks that we're probably going to fill on the inside, but overall the boards pretty much cover the front. So right now we're gonna get working on making the door.
Yeah, we gotta make the door, get that all set up and ready to go, and then we can move inside. So 34. Wanted at least an inch in, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 33. So we need 2 at 33. Push this way.
Yeah, see, that's gonna look good in there.
Yeah, that'll look fine. What do you guys think? That gonna look all right? All right. Well, I don't have hinges right now because it's Easter. So we're gonna put it to the side. All right, roosting bars. So here's my idea. We're gonna take and we're gonna put a 2x4 on an angle going down and nailing it to the studs.
Yeah, on both sides.
On both sides, same angle. That'll brace up our walls, and then we'll put our roosting bars
Yeah, going that way.
off of it.
Yeah, that'll work.
All right. All right. Check your bottom. Get it where you want it. Yeah?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, it's different. It's different. All right.
What do you mean it's different?
You're going to have to take the tape measure
Yeah.
and hold it at 32 because there's not a stud right there.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So
Okay.
before you do that, let's get a starter going.
Yep.
Hold on. So I know roughly. All right. Come down to 32.
You got that?
Yeah. To the top of the board.
To the top of this board?
No, that down, and then the top of the board we're putting on.
Ow. Right there.
Okay. Which puts this right here. Hold on to that.
Yeah, it's different over the door.
In there. Yeah. I think something like that is going to be just fine.
Yeah, it looks pretty level. Without actually...
Use that. Oh. I think I need to come this way a little bit. Right? That look about right?
Yeah, I think so. I'm pretty good over here.
All right. Let me put a screw in. I don't know. I think it's fine.
Yeah, the roosting bars are fine.
The roosting bars are perfectly fine.
They are.
They should be no problem whatsoever.
Yeah, they'll be able to jump up there.
Yeah.
Because this is no higher than the top of our chicken coop now.
And they're going up there, no problem.
Jump up there already.
Yep.
And they like being up high, so they'll
Yeah.
like the fact that they have the tier system.
No, they will, and that'll help with their hierarchy.
Mm-hmm.
King birds will be up there, and the little birds will be down here.
They're pecking order.
The pecking order, as they say. Peck, peck, peck. All right. I'm going to take a small break because I'm super dehydrated.
I know, I need more water.
And,
what time it is.
And then, yeah, then let's see where we're at. We might pick this up tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. Right there. Can you hold that right there? All right, guys. Missy is finishing up the nest boxes. Our batteries died. Our batteries died, right?
Yeah, the battery died in the camera and in the drill.
And the drill. And we didn't realize the camera had died, so I wanted to show you the progress that we have made so far. The nesting boxes, they're made, guys. Nesting boxes are made, no problem. And let me turn you around here real quick. There are our roosting bars are all set. So really, all we have left is to hang the door, put the metal on, and down under the nesting boxes, right down there, that's where the chicken door is going to go.
Yeah, our automatic door opener.
For them to get out to their run. Oh, this baby is heavy. All right. What I want to do is get it like this, and I don't know, however we got to hold it to get the bottom in. Hold on. I'm going to do the same thing. Ready? Get the bottom in. Fold the top up in. Okay, just like that. Go ahead. Then we'll come back. Right?
Yep.
So
Just yeah,
Put
we gotta
one-
make
put one
sure
right
that
here.
they're far enough away from the hinges, though,
Yeah.
right?
one right there. We're gonna check it.
Oh yeah, that'll work.
That'll be fine.
It's not in the way at all. Okay.
No.
Here. Can I get the top?
Yeah. And this is gonna go right there.
Okay.
So hang on to that there.
That's easier to screw in. Better. Okay.
So you literally push that, it opens it.
Yeah, and then you have to do that. So I think we'll probably do the same thing.
With the string, yes.
And drill a hole, just in case.
And I don't like the fact that that does that.
Well, I think that might be a locking kind of...
Oh!
You can...
No, so you can close it
so
behind
I can
you.
Close it without it locking on me.
Yeah.
So that works for now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll work. Okay.
And there's the metal we need.
putting her up here. There you go, girl. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
All right.
You're
Get a shot of them all.